Hi folks, this is David Piper with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services California Properties. I am at my open house here at 6426 Caminito Listo in San Diego, California 92111. Once again, the address is 6426 Caminito Listo in San Diego, California 92111. I wanted to invite you to my open house today because I am here until 5 p.m. And I just wanted to let you know that if you come visit me today, you know, you get a little special treat. Get some Swedish fish. Not too many, you don't see that too often. Everybody that comes to my open house always grabs them because they laugh and say they haven't seen those for years. But anyway, come to my open house today. Like I said, I'm here until 5 p.m. And this particular townhome that I'm at is just absolutely fantastic. It is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a little over 1,500 square feet, and almost everything was updated about 3 years ago in 2022. One of the things that I really want to emphasize that's so fantastic about this property is the backyard. Let me show you. Look how huge this backyard is. It starts here and goes all the way over and around here. It is just one of the largest and most envied properties of this entire neighborhood. I don't think there's another property that's as large as this particular yard at this property. So you don't even feel like you're in a townhome, or you don't feel like you're in a condo or anything like that, just because it's such a fantastic property outside. But also, look at this. Look at these vaulted ceilings. Look how much light floods into this space. And then with this really super shiny reflective floor, the light just bounces off of it. So anyway, come check it out. I'd love to see you. Once again, this is David Piper. I'm with Berkshire Hathaway. And if this property piques your interest or not, give me a call, let me know. By the way, this property is offered at $1,140,000, and I think that is an absolute steal. This is the lowest price per square footage in the neighborhood, so time to take advantage of that. Time to dip your feet into real estate and purchase a property like this, whether it's your first time owning a property, or maybe you're looking for an investment property. This particular property is adjacent to the University of San Diego, and so you have a high potential for rental. The previous tenants that were here, they were paying $5,100 a month, so that's something to think about and consider if you're thinking about turning this into a rental property. So anyway, take care. I'd love to see you. Come visit me today until 5. Otherwise, give me a call, let me know, and I can set up a personal tour for you.